Welcome to our roundup of the best ladder stand options for hunters who want a stable, elevated, and comfortable position in the field. Whether you're preparing for deer season or simply looking to improve your vantage point while hunting, choosing the right ladder stand can make a huge difference in both safety and success. In this video, we've selected some of the most reliable ladder tree stands designed for durability, comfort, and ease of setup. We'll break down each model's key features such as height, platform size, weight capacity, seat comfort, and overall stability so you can decide which stand fits your hunting style best. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals and product links so you can find the best price available. Now let's get started. The first on the list is the Muddy 2-person ladder tree stand. If you're someone who enjoys hunting with a partner, friend, or family member, the Muddy 2-person ladder tree stand is designed exactly for that experience. This stand provides plenty of room for 2 hunters while still maintaining the strength and stability needed for elevated hunting. Built with durability in mind, it offers a reliable structure that allows you to focus on the hunt rather than worrying about balance or safety. One of the most impressive aspects of this stand is the spacious 2-person platform, which gives both hunters enough room to move comfortably without feeling cramped. The wide platform allows for better positioning when aiming and helps reduce fatigue during long hours of waiting. When you're sitting in a stand for extended periods, having space to shift and adjust your posture makes a big difference. Another highlight is the Flex Tech bench seat design. Overall, the Muddy 2-person ladder tree stand is an excellent choice for hunters who want a reliable, elevated stand that comfortably accommodates 2 people while maintaining strength, stability, and quiet performance in the field. Next up is the River's Edge Lockdown 21-foot wide. For hunters who want maximum elevation and stability, the River's Edge Lockdown 21-foot wide ladder stand delivers a strong combination of height, comfort, and rock-solid support. Designed for serious hunters who spend long hours waiting for the perfect opportunity, this stand focuses heavily on security and durability. One standout aspect is the lockdown strapping system, which firmly secures the stand to the tree. This system significantly reduces shifting and movement, giving hunters a more stable platform even when adjusting positions. Stability is critical when hunting from elevated positions, and this design helps build confidence every time you climb into the stand. Another key advantage is the 21-foot elevated height. The extra height provides an improved field of view over surrounding terrain, allowing hunters to see approaching game earlier while also helping reduce scent detection from animals below. Being positioned higher in the tree line often results in better concealment and more strategic shot opportunities. Comfort is equally important, and that's why the wide, tear-tough mesh seat comes into play. The breathable mesh seat offers strong support while remaining comfortable during long sits. Long hunts can become uncomfortable quickly, but the seat design here helps make those hours more manageable. Overall, the River's Edge Lockdown 21-foot wide ladder stand offers impressive elevation, strong structural stability, and comfortable seating, making it a great option for hunters who want a dependable, high-vantage stand for long hunting sessions. Next, we have the Muddy 1-person Huntsman Deluxe Steel Ladder Stand. For hunters who prefer a lightweight, solo hunting setup, the Muddy 1-person Huntsman Deluxe Steel Ladder Stand offers a reliable and practical design that focuses on simplicity, strength, and comfort. This stand is built for individuals who want a dependable, elevated hunting position without the bulk of larger stands. Steel ladder stands are known for their strength and longevity, and this model continues that tradition by offering dependable performance season after season. Comfort is addressed with the padded shooting rail and seat, which helps reduce fatigue during long waits. The seat provides decent cushioning, while the shooting rail offers extra stability when preparing to take a shot. Having that front support can make aiming more controlled and precise when hunting from elevated positions. Another important element is the compact single hunter design. Because it's designed for just one person, the stand remains easier to transport and install compared to larger models. Overall, the Muddy 1-person Huntsman Deluxe Steel Ladder Stand is a practical choice for solo hunters who want a dependable, stable, and easy-to-use elevated hunting position without unnecessary complexity. Next up is the Big Game 1-person Ladder Tree Stand. The Big Game one-person ladder tree stand is designed for hunters who want a dependable, elevated platform with comfort and stability at a reasonable price point. Known for producing reliable hunting equipment, Big Game built this stand to deliver solid performance for solo hunters who spend long hours waiting for the perfect moment. One of the biggest advantages of this model is the extra-large shooting rail, which provides excellent front support when aiming. The shooting rail helps stabilize your firearm or bow while also adding a sense of security when seated. It can also be flipped up when you need more space for standing shots. Comfort is another strong point thanks to the padded Flex-Tech seat, which offers a flexible design that reduces pressure points and allows for extended sitting periods. Long hunts can become uncomfortable quickly, but the seat design here helps make those hours more manageable. The stand also features a stable steel ladder frame, ensuring reliable support while climbing and while positioned in the stand. Steel construction adds durability and helps the stand maintain its strength through multiple hunting seasons. Overall, the Big Game one-person ladder tree stand delivers strong value with a stable build, comfortable seating, and practical hunting features, making it a reliable choice for solo hunters. The last one on our list is the Muddy MLS 1550 Skybox Deluxe 20-foot tall single steel ladder. If you're looking for a premium ladder stand that combines height, comfort, and durability, the Muddy Skybox Deluxe 20-foot ladder stand stands out as one of the most capable options available. Designed for serious hunters who prioritize comfort during long hunts, this stand focuses on delivering both stability and luxury at elevated heights. One of its defining features is the 20-foot elevated height, which places hunters high above the ground for improved visibility and scent control. Being positioned higher in the tree line helps hunters see further across trails, feeding areas, and clearings while staying less detectable to animals below. Comfort is a major highlight with the luxurious Flex-Tech seat designed to provide superior support during extended hunting sessions. The seat flexes naturally with body movement while maintaining durability and quiet performance, which is critical when remaining undetected. Another standout feature is the extra-large platform space. This spacious platform allows hunters to stand comfortably, adjust positions, and take steady shots without feeling confined. Overall, the Muddy MLS 1550 Skybox Deluxe 20-foot ladder stand is a top-tier choice for hunters who want a high-elevation stand with excellent comfort, strong construction, and a spacious platform designed for serious hunting sessions. So that's it for the best ladder stand options available for hunters looking to improve their vantage point and comfort in the field. If this video helped you decide which ladder stand might be the best fit for your hunting style, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more gear guides and outdoor equipment reviews. You can find all the product links and current deals in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and good luck out in the field.